might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever.
UNice Hair sent over this new Blendaway HD Lace wig, and if you want to know if it's any different from all the rest of them, I would say yes, because honestly I feel like this lace is like that skin melt lace. It's really thin and it is true HD lace. So this is the packaging, this is the wig straight out of the box, everything that came with it. They sent me 2 wig caps and a couple of other things, a robe which I will have on in the video. I love these. I actually like keep all of the ones that I get sent. And the wig. So the wig came pre-curled, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything for real. This is the hairline on the wig. When I tell y'all this is the best glueless wig I've ever gotten, and I'm not just saying that because I'm a wig influencer. I mean that I really take it serious when it comes to the wigs that I get. And I'm going to be a hard reviewer. I always have been. But just off the bat of how good this wig came plucked is why I'm saying what I'm saying. I have not had any shedding or tangling with this wig. Normally, I care a lot about the shedding because these wigs have been shedding so bad lately. This wig did not have that going on. It came pre-plucked how I liked it. The bleaching was good. The construction was good. This wig, I believe, was a 24-inch, 180% density, 5x5 closure. I like the density. It was a very natural density. I would normally prefer thicker wigs, but I felt like this was good enough. It wasn't too much hair. And so that's all the specs on the wig, but I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. So we're just getting to the review straight out the box, straight out the beginning of the video. I'm giving this wig a 9 out of 10. You could tell if a wig is going to shed a lot or if it's going to tangle a lot just off like the first, second, third day. And I actually wore this wig and still am wearing this wig after this video, and I have not experienced a lot of shedding. So that's a plus. Overall, like I said, 9 out of 10. I really like this wig so far. I will be giving you guys an update. I'll probably like reinstall it or something later on in a few weeks or so, but this is one of the wigs I'm going to be keeping. When I say it's good, when I was in the store, I literally had a lady walk up to me and ask me who did my hair because she wanted to know who did it, where I got it from, all that, because it looks so good. And I had to tell her I just put it on straight out the box. Yes, I do hair, but the wig came just like this straight out the box. I really did not have to do nothing to it. So we're going to go ahead and get into the install of this wig. All the products that I use will be in my description box below on my Amazon storefront as always under Wig Essentials. Make sure you're following me on my social media so you guys can see like the mini tutorials that I post. I always post a short form version of this video on all my platforms, YouTube Shorts, everything. So make sure you're following me. I really did nothing to this wig at all except for customize the hairline just a little bit. I pulled out some hairs. You will see me do that later on in the video because I wanted it to be a little bit more natural, and I did cut some of the lace off because I pulled out the hairs, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But that's it. Everything else, I'm just touching up the curls, and I cut a little bit of face framing layers in the front, and I'm showing you guys everything I did beginning to end. I did this in my last video and I liked it a lot. For all my girls that, you know, like to see exactly what I'm doing and not miss a beat, this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm not skipping anything out, not cutting anything out. This video is like edited as minimal as I can get it. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Let me know if this is something that you like better than the short videos that I do with all the editing.
You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there. I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, when your friends are them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what the justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what the justice, put it in the song, alright.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what the justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what the justice, put it in the song, alright. Every time I write these words, they become a taboo. Making sure my punctuation curve, heavy letter hits true. Living my life in the margin, and that metaphor was proof. I'm talking poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking in the mirror. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking for it, maybe. Call me crazy, we can both be insane. A fatal attraction is common, and what we have common is pain. I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, and I can see power steering. Sex drive when you swerve, I want that interference. It's coherent, I can hear it. That's your heartbeat, it either caught me or it caught me. Read slow and you'll find gold mines in these lines. Sincerely, yours truly, and right before you go blind. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what the justice, put it in the song.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating lo mein is ciao for now. Ciao, ciao. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, ciao for now. Ciao, ciao. Yeah, she making that ass shake. Breaking that back till her back break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind to this whole waste. Trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever pressed it. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. No, turn policy, she can't be mine. Nah, nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind to this whole waste. Trials and tribulations.